CR equations in the polar form. So we know that polar coordinates, right? So polar coordinates in terms of r and theta irutte, Cartesian coordinates in terms of x and y irutte. So here CR equations in the polar form. So as usual, so we can write here statement, right? So ಕೇಳೋದೇನಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ examination ಅಲ್ಲಿ, derive CR equations in the polar form. ನಾವೇನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ statement ಬರಿಬೇಕು, then proof ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನಾವೇ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ, right? So first we shall consider here f of z is equal to f of r into e power I theta, right? F of z is equal to f of r into e power I theta is equal to u of r comma theta plus I into v of r comma theta. So this is v and r, right? I into v of r comma theta. So Cartesian formula ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ನಾವು f of z is equal to u of x comma y plus I into v of x comma y ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. Polar form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅನಾಲಿಟಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು u of r comma theta plus I into v of r comma theta, right? So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ f of z u of r comma theta plus I into v of r comma theta is analytic at point z. As usual, then there exist four continuous first order partial derivatives, right? So Cartesian formula same ಆಗಿತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, right? Then there exist four continuous first order partial derivatives, del u upon del r, del u upon del theta, del v upon del r, del v upon del theta, small v, this is small v, right? Del v upon del r, del v upon del theta, and satisfies the equations del u upon del r is equal to 1 by r into del v upon del theta, and del v upon del r is equal to minus 1 by r into del u upon del theta. Nothing but del u upon del r divided by ur. R cross multiplication ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇದು r cross multiply ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ r into ur, here r into ur is equal to del v upon del theta divided by v theta, and cross multiplication again r into del v by del r divided by vr, so here r into vr minus del u upon del theta divided by u theta, right? R into ur is equal to v theta and r into vr is equal to minus u theta. So these are known as CR equations in the polar form, right? So as usually Cartesian formigu polar formigu similarity ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅನಾಲಿಟಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೈ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅನಾಲಿಟಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಥೀಟಾದಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ದೆನ್ ದೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಫೋರ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದೆನ್ ದೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಫೋರ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ಸ್. ಡೆಲ್ ಯು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಕಾರ್ಟಿಷಿಯನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ನಮಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಯು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೈ ಇತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೈ ಇರೋದು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೈ ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೂಫ್. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಶಾಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಕಾರ್ಟಿಷಿಯನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಝೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಐ ವೈ, ರೈಟ್? ಝೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಐ ವೈ. ಪೋಲಾರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಝೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ ಇಂಟು ಇ ಪವರ್ ಐ ಥೀಟಾ, ಆರ್ ಇಂಟು ಇ ಪವರ್ ಐ ಥೀಟಾ. So as usual, first we shall consider analytic function definition. Analytic function definition ಏನು? F dash of z is equal to limit delta z tends to 0 f of z plus delta z minus f of z upon delta z. So this is what definition of analytic function. So f of z, we know that f of z is equal to u into r comma theta plus I into v of r comma theta. f of z place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? u of r comma theta plus I into v of r comma theta ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ f of z plus delta z ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? ಸಿಯರ್ f of z ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ u of r comma theta plus I into v of r comma theta. f of z plus delta z ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ r replaced by r plus delta r, theta replaced by theta plus delta theta. Similarly, v of r replaced by r plus delta r, theta replaced by theta plus delta r. Because we have here z plus delta z ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ r r plus delta r ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, theta theta plus delta r ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Similarly, v of r comma theta also, right? f of z place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. f of z plus delta z place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ here. f dash of z is equal to limit delta z tends to 0 f of z plus delta z is equal to, we have to substitute u of r plus delta r comma theta plus delta theta plus I into v of r plus delta r comma theta plus delta theta minus, so f of z is equal to we have u of r comma theta plus I into v of r comma theta upon delta z. Analytic function definition na consider ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು f of z plus delta z and f of z ನ substitution ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್, we have to separate real part and imaginary part, right? ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ ಕಮ ಥೀಟಾ ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ಸೊ ವಿ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ ಕಮ ಥೀಟಾ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಯು ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಆರ್ ಕಮ ಥೀಟಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಥೀಟಾ ಮೈನಸ್ ಯು ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ ಕಮ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಪಾನ್ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಝೆಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ imaginary part, I into limit delta z tends to 0, right? V of here, V of this is V, right? V of r plus delta r comma theta plus delta theta minus V of r comma theta upon delta z. So we have to separate real part and imaginary part, right? So consider equation number 1. Consider equation number 1. Then again we have two cases. Again consider ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು Cartesian form ಅಲ್ಲಿ delta z is equal to delta x plus I into delta y ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೀವೇನ್ ತಗೊಂತೀರಿ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನೇನು ಬರೀಬೇಡಿ ನೀವು, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೀವೇನ್ ತಗೊಂತೀರಾ, ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ z is equal to e power I theta delta r plus I into r into e power I theta delta theta. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ನೀವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಯು ಶಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ delta z is equal to ನಾವು ಅಂತ ಬರೋದು delta z is equal to e power I theta delta r plus I into r into e power I theta into delta theta. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೇನು ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡಿ ನೀವು, ರೈಟ್? ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದೇನು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದು z is equal to r into e power I theta ಬರೆದು, ಸಿನ್ಸ್ z is a function of two variables r comma theta, we have ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು delta z is equal to e power I theta delta r plus I into r into e power I theta into delta theta. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀರಾ. Since delta z tends to 0, so obviously we have two possibilities, right? Delta z tends to 0, so obviously we have here two possibilities, right? Two possibilities same barutte. So obviously delta r tends to 0, delta theta is equal to 0. So obviously we have two possibilities, nothing but delta r is equal to 0 one possibility, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು possibility ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ, delta theta tends to 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So first we shall see the first possibility, right? So let delta theta is equal to 0. See obviously, see delta theta is equal to 0 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, so obviously this entire term is equal to 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So remaining here delta z is equal to e power I theta delta r, right? So delta z is equal to e power I theta into delta r, nothing but delta z ಇರೋ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಬರಿಬಹುದು, e power I theta into delta r ಬರಿಬಹುದು. and delta z tends to 0, so obviously ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ delta r tends to 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, delta z tends to 0 ಇರೋ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ then we can write here delta r tends to 0. So equation number 1 becomes here, equation number 1 we have here, equation number 1, right? So in place of delta z we have to substitute delta r tends to 0. So here delta r tends to 0. So next obviously delta z ಇರೋ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ we have to substitute, so here delta z ಇರೋ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ we have to substitute e power I theta into delta r, and also delta theta is equal to 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So delta z tends to 0, next ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇದು delta r tends to 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. yes, delta r tends to 0, e power I theta into delta r. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಥೀಟಾ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಇದೆ, ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಥೀಟಾ ಇದು 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಯರ್ ಇದು 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಝೆಡ್ ಇರೋ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು e power I theta and delta r. ಸೊ f dash of z is equal to limit, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೈತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ z tends to 0 ಇತ್ತು, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ z tends to 0, ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ r tends to 0. u of r plus delta r comma theta plus delta theta ಇತ್ತು, ಸೊ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಥೀಟಾ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ತಗೊಂಡಿವಿ, 0 ಆಗಿದೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ u of r comma theta keep as it is. ಸೊ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ delta z we have here, so delta z ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ನಾವು ಏನು ಬರಿತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ delta z is equal to we have e power I theta into delta r. So obviously we can write here e power I theta into delta r plus I into limit delta r tends to 0, limit delta r tends to 0. So ಏನಿದೆ equation number 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ delta z tends to 0 ಆಯ್ತು, instead of delta z tends to 0, so we can write here delta r tends to 0. We have r plus delta r comma theta plus delta theta, so obviously we have here delta theta is equal to 0, 0 ಆಗಿದೆ, minus v of r comma theta. So we have r comma theta keep as it is, divided by delta z. So delta z plus we have here e power I theta into delta r, right? So next here 1 upon e power I theta, 1 upon e power I theta. 1 upon e power I theta nothing but e power minus I theta, right? 1 upon e power I theta nothing but e power minus I theta. So here also we have here 1 upon e power I theta. So we have to take out 1 upon e power I theta, 1 upon e power I theta. We have to take out, that can be written as e power minus I theta, e power minus I theta, right? So e power minus I theta we can write here outside. So outside e power minus I theta na outside barkondwe, clear? So remaining here e power minus I theta na outside barkondre, in the remaining part ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ basic definition of partial differentiation, clear? So remaining ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ basic definition of partial differentiation, that can be written as del u by del r plus I into 1 upon e power I theta we have to take out. So remaining part, so we can write here del v by del r. So remaining part of basic definition of partial differentiation. So obviously we can write del v upon del r. Consider equation number 2. This is about the first case. Delta theta is equal to 0. Case number 2. Delta r is equal to 0. Clear? Delta r is equal to 0. So that, see, observe here, delta r is equal to 0. Correct? Delta r is equal to 0. Then we have here delta z is equal to I into r into e power I theta into delta theta. So I into r into e power I theta into delta theta. Under delta z place ali, so we can write this one. Delta r is equal to 0 tagondre. Right. Next year. And delta z tends to 0, obviously delta theta tends to 0 agutte. Then equation number 1 becomes, instead of delta z, so we can write here delta theta tends to 0. U of r plus delta r. So obviously we have here delta r is equal to 0. So delta r is 0 ಬರ್ತದೆ. Equation number 1 observe ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. R plus delta r ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ delta r plus ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಹಾಕಿದೆ. Remaining part here r, comma theta plus delta theta minus u of r comma theta divided by delta z we have here. So in place of delta z, so we can write here I into r into e power I theta into delta theta we can write here. Clear? Plus I into, as usual, delta z replaced by delta theta tends to 0. We have r plus delta r, right? Delta r is equal to 0. We have to substitute. Remaining here theta plus delta theta minus v of r comma theta upon I into r into e power I theta into delta theta, because we have here delta z. Next here, we have to take 1 upon I into r into e power I theta. 1 upon I into r into e power I theta we have to take. So remaining part, this remaining here. So here also we have remaining. So this is what basic definition of partial differentiation. This can be written as del u by del theta plus I into, this can be written as del v upon del theta, right? So outside we have here 1 by I multiplied with this 1 by I into this term 1 by I plus 1 by I into I. So I get cancelled. So remaining del v by del theta. So we know that 1 by I is equal to minus I. So in place of 1 by I, we have to substitute minus I into del u upon del theta plus del v upon del theta.
Del u upon del theta.
Del v upon del theta. Yes. Minus I into del u upon del theta plus del v upon del theta. Is it right? Next. So outside we have here 1 upon r. Del v, this is del v, sorry, del v. Is it clear? Del v, del u upon del theta plus del v upon del theta. Is it clear? Right? Which is equal to, so here 1 by r, 1 by r outside is there, right? So 1 by r outside is there. So 1 upon e power I theta. 1 upon e power I theta, right? 1 upon e power I theta, this can be written as
first third
1 upon e power I theta, 1 upon
second year,
third sem,
second year, fourth sem, third sem ಮುಗಿಸ್ದೆ.
ಇನ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರೋದು? 4 ಈಗ ಬರೀ ಅಬ್ಬಬ್ಬ ಅಂತ ಆಡಿ ಯಾರು ಮುಗಿಸಿದಿ.
One upon CO, 1 upon r into e power I theta. Is it clear? So we have to take 1 upon e power I theta. So 1 upon e power I theta. So we can write here e power minus I theta. Clear? E power minus I theta. And 1 by r multiplied with this term. So 1 by r into this minus I by r into del u upon del theta plus 1 by r into del v by del theta. 1 by r into del v by del theta. Confuse markabadi. This is v. This is v. Clear? So del v upon del theta. So next job. E power minus I theta keep outside. So 1 by r into del r by del theta minus I by r into del u by del theta. Consider equation number 3. So equation number 2 we have here. Equation number 2 we have. So f dash of z. Equation number 3 we have here. F dash of z is equal to, right? So equating RHS of 2 and 3. Equating RHS of 2. This is equation number 2 and this is what equation number 3, right? RHS part na equate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, then e power minus I theta get cancel. So next step, equating real and imaginary parts. So your real and imaginary parts. So real part ಯಾವ್ದಲ್ಲಿ del u upon del r left hand side ಅಲ್ಲಿ, RHS part ಅಲ್ಲಿ real part ಯಾವುದು 1 by r into del v upon del theta and del v upon del r we have here imaginary part. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ imaginary part minus 1 by r into del u upon del theta. Clear? So obviously cross multiplication, r into ur is equal to v theta. R into ur is equal to v theta. Del v upon del theta is denoted by what? V theta. So cross multiplication, r into del v upon del r, this can be written as vr, which is equal to minus del u upon del theta, nothing but what? Minus u theta. So this is what CR equations in the polar form, right?